Hey everybody, it's Tiana.
Hey, it's Kel.
And we're here to give a little rundown about how we first met.
Yep, we first met in February of 2021.
Playing volleyball over at Encanto Park in Southeast San Diego.
Yep, when I first saw her, she was dressed in a hoodie and some Nikes and a beanie. And so I thought she was one of the bros at first, but I did start to notice her after hanging out one night. I thought she was cool, down to earth, and looked pretty cute.
Yep, and I first saw Kel playing volleyball. Actually, I didn't see him at first. I heard him because he has his loud laugh that I grew to love. But after that, we exchanged socials and started talking, and we went on our first unplanned date. We got boba, and then we visited the Spruce suspension bridge, and then went to Balboa Park right after. And from there, we just fell in love, and here we are.
Yep, that's how I met the love of my life.
And that's how I met the love of my life as well.
Thanks for tuning in.
Catch you next time.